Selflessness is all about prioritizing the feelings and well-being of others over your own. There are countless ways to be more selfless in your everyday life, whether it's letting someone go ahead of you in line or helping a stressed coworker with a project. Every little action makes a difference. Engaging in volunteer work with local organizations is a great way to practice generosity and contribute to the community. Handing out food at a soup kitchen or caring for animals at a shelter are just some of the many number of ways to make a positive impact. It's also important to lend a helping hand to the people in your everyday life. If someone asks for help, do what you can to make it happen, even if it may be inconvenient. Being patient and understanding is crucial in improving personal relationships and avoiding selfishness. The goal of selflessness is to make the world a better place, not to expect rewards. However, it is essential to prioritize self-care and ensure that you have enough energy to continue helping others. Remember, helping others should make you feel good and fulfilled.